So the last thing that we're going to be covering today, and it's a new one that we've been working on, is going to be the jump links.
Okay, we have a regular blog post. We're writing longer form content now. So you have a table of contents here. And right, all these are going to take me down to how to sign in for your, and then can I go up with the arrow back to here, all the way, how to add a user, right? So it jumps you into the article. So again, I'm using numbered lists, but I'm also, that's a H2 tag. And I can jump through the article. So it's giving me kind of an outline of what I'm going to talk about. And maybe I just want to know, how do I choose from multiple accounts, or how do I sign in to my Google business profile account?
Oh, he did link one. Okay. So you'll notice that Pip's got a hashtag and it says link one. We're going to need him to fix that. It should say hashtag sign into my Google business account. And it should have hyphens between each one. And so that way it's nice and descriptive. Again, we love things to be descriptive. Uh, and what you do is you would have this so that when it jumps to that page, and again, going back to when we looked at the what is SEO and it was jumping to different parts on the same page, it was using this partial, that's what it's called. It's like a partial or an anchor link. And what it does is Google's going to use that to go, oh, this will jump down to where they talked about the history of SEO. This will jump down to what is the methods of SEO. Whereas this one isn't as descriptive. So we're definitely going to want to change that and make it more descriptive.
Yeah, and it's the hashtag, is it not, that jumps it down?
It's the hashtag and then the words after it.
So
So one example on how to do this. So the cadence theme that we use for WordPress is actually really good because they actually make it super easy to set up. So when you're writing the post, because you need to not only have the link, but you need to tell it that if I were to click on this link, I will go to this spot. How you do that is you select a block and then in advanced here, HTML anchor, and then you just add in the name. And so then you want to make sure that the link up here has the hashtag and then whatever you put in this HTML anchor text. Oh, whoops.
but we will go through this more.
Oh yeah, this again. The tab says advanced. This class is called advanced on page SEO. Jump straight to this, but if you guys are writing longer form content, this is really going to be super beneficial for Google as they try to figure out what the website or the page is about. Because really, what this is almost like a sitemap of the page. So they're going to know that this is the big H1, and then from there, here's all the subheadings about this page. And so they know, oh, this is so if someone asks, how do I add a user to my Google business profile by choosing managers? Okay, so now when someone asks that on in Google, they know that hey, someone has written about this specifically. I bet that answer is going to be the one we should show.
And then the other quick thing I wanted to show you was what a no follow looks like, and a follow. So regularly, now we all do follow links. It's going to look like this. And then if you wanted to do a no follow, what you would do is extend out the little arrow and then you put rel equals no follow. And you're going to do that when you don't want to give link juice to the other site that you're going to, sending people to. It's not something we worry that much about, but it is something that people do,
Yeah,
right?
it's just again, this is more for your definitions.